Good day students. This video is continuation of our module senses. So today we will be discussing about ears, the third sense organ, ears, the sense of hearing. The organ of sense of hearing is ears. Hearing is the ability to perceive sound by detecting vibrations, change in pressure of the surrounding medium through time, through an organ such as ears. For example, we hear music through earphones which are inserted into our ears. Totally or partially, the ability to hear is known as hearing loss. Sound my ears can hear. What kind of sounds my ears can hear? We can recognize different sounds. On hearing sounds, we can guess the source of sounds without saying. For example, we can easily identify a mom's voice, sound of an aeroplane, a barking dog, sound of a storm, sound of an alarm, or sound of thundering. Some sounds we hear may be pleasant, like music, or unpleasant, like noise. We shall do an activity. The activity is called as listening walking. Head outside to listen different sounds. Let's see sounds including a barking dog, a car door slamming, aeroplane overhead, children's giggling, wind in the trees, or anything else you expect to hear. Mark each item and list as you hear and find the difference. Eyes. Eyes, the sense of sight. A good sense of sight is achieved by healthy eyes. Eyes are the organs of our visual system. Eyes provides vision and the sense of sight to human beings, animals, birds, fishes, etc. Human beings can have various color eyes depending on the amount of melanine present in one's body. The eye color can vary from brown to blue. However, eyes are sensitive to light. Things my eyes can see. With our eyes, we can see the beautiful world. Our sense of sight helps us to recognize people and differentiate between them, objects in certain color, terms of shapes and signs. It also helps us to read, write, and recognize words. Activity on sight. Observation and memory game. Collect 10 to 15 items and set them on a tray. Give students 1 minute to observe and then remove items from their sight. Have your child write down what items they remember. Test their memory by asking specific questions like what color was the marker, which we can see through our eyes. Tongue. Sense of tasting. The organ for the sense of taste is the tongue. The tongue has various respirators which can detect whether the item consumed is salty, sweet, bitter or sour. The behind part of the tongue detects bitter taste, the front part detects salty taste, the side part detects sour taste, and the middle and the front part detects sweet taste. What can I taste? A tongue is a muscular organ. There are taste buds on the tongue which tell us which type of taste such as bitter, salt, sweet and sour. Tongue not only helps us to taste food but also helps us to chew the food and in speech. Let's play a taste game. There are 5 primary taste suggestions: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, savory. Gather up to 4 to 5 different food items that fit into each category. Taste each of the item and discuss whether it tastes sweet, salty, bitter or sour. Module to be continued. We shall discuss more about sense organs in our next video. Thank you children.